In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage line jumps across layers in draw.io diagrams. Line jumps are those small bridges or gaps that appear where two connectors cross, helping your audience see which line continues uninterrupted. They're especially useful when your diagram spans multiple layers because layering can change which connector sits visually on top. Getting this right keeps complex flows readable and reduces confusion. Start by opening your Confluence page that contains the diagram and switch the page into edit mode. From there, open the embedded diagram so you're in the draw.io editor. If your organization uses the diagrams.net integration, this is the same place. Make sure you're actually in edit mode for the diagram, not just viewing it, so the formatting options are available. If the sidebar with styling controls isn't visible on the right, enable the format panel so you can adjust connector properties. Next, click to select a line connector in your diagram. A connector is any line that links two shapes, like a process step to a decision diamond. When a connector is selected, the right-hand panel shows its style options. Look for the line jump setting. It may be grouped under the section where you manage the line style, such as end arrows, thickness, and routing. This option controls how that connector behaves visually when it crosses another line, taking into account the stacking order created by your layers. Open the line, jump drop-down, and choose the style you want. Common options include arc, which draws a smooth bridge, gap, which creates a clean break in the lower line, and sharp, which gives an angular bridge. Pick the style that matches the visual tone of your diagram and improves clarity at crossing points. If you see a size control for line jumps, a slightly larger size can help in dense areas, but avoid going so large that it distracts from the flow. Because layers affect which line is considered on top, keep in mind that the connector on the higher layer is usually treated as the overpass. If your jumps don't look right, check which layers each connector sits on and keep related flows on consistent layers for predictable results. You can apply the same line jump setting to multiple connectors by selecting them together before changing the dropdown, helping you maintain a uniform look. After making your selection, scan the parts of your diagram where lines cross to confirm the jumps improve readability and adjust the style or size if needed. That's it. By opening your diagram for editing, selecting the connector, and choosing the right line jump style, you'll keep multi-layer diagrams clear, professional, and easy to follow.